natural stress busters, also called as banana hearts. Today's preparation is an interesting 2-in-1 recipe. Serve it as a starter, banana flour or banana blossom fritters, or as a main course, a super delicious gravy. Welcome to water gravy. To clean the banana flour, remove the outermost covering or the bract from the banana flour. Take the bunched flowers from inside. Rich in iron, banana flowers help prevent anemia. They also help manage insulin levels and aid in weight loss. Separate the florets. Remove the calyx, the scale-like and translucent petal that is present on the outside, and the pistil with the attached rounded stigma on top from the inside. Banana flowers aid in immunity, contain antioxidants which help prevent heart disease, cancer, and skin aging. We will need around 1 cup of the clean flowers for the gravy. They also help prevent excessive menstrual bleeding, help in PCOS, and relieve acidity. The rest of the flowers can be fried, and if you're not using the flowers immediately, add them to water in which a little buttermilk or lime juice has been added to prevent them from turning black. To prepare the gravy, we will need 1/4 kg or 250 grams of sambar, pearl onions or shallots peeled. Cut vertically into smaller pieces. Antioxidant and immunity boosting, pearl onions are a rich source of vitamin B6 and also contain manganese and vitamin C. The small-sized onions can be retained as such. Take 1/4 kg or 250 grams of local or country variety of tomatoes. These are more sour, juicy, and suitable for South Indian curries, gravies. Chop them fine, set aside. Heat a cooking pot. Add 2.5 tablespoons of cold-pressed sesame oil, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 clove, 1 star anise, chakri fool or anasi poo. Allow to fry for 2 to 3 seconds and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start sputtering, add 1/4 teaspoon of saunf or fennel seeds. Fennel helps improve digestion and purify blood. Add the cut small or sambar onions. Fry on a medium flame until the onions turn translucent and add the chopped tomatoes. Fry until the moisture in the tomatoes is absorbed. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of sambar powder. If you do not have sambar powder, add 1/4 teaspoon more of red chili powder and coriander powder. Fry for a few seconds. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of thick tamarind extract. Fry for a minute and add 4 cups of water. Mix and allow the water to boil. Reduce and allow the gravy to simmer on a low-medium flame. While the gravy is simmering, to prepare the fresh masala paste for the gravy, heat a fry pan. Add half a teaspoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. When the fennel seeds start sputtering, add 4 pods of garlic thinly sliced. Fry for a minute and add 1 teaspoon of ginger finely cut. Once the ginger and garlic are well fried, add half a tablespoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas. Fry until they turn brown. And add 1/4 cup of fried Bengal gram or chutney dal. Fry until it becomes crisp and add 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. Fry for a few seconds, switch off the stove and allow the mix to cool. Transfer to a mixer jar. Add 1/4 cup of water or as required and grind to a fine paste. The gravy has been simmering for some time now. It should not become too thick as it will thicken once the ground masala is added. Add the ground masala. Mix well. Check for salt, tamarind, and allow to simmer for 5 more minutes. Switch off the stove. Heat a frying pan. Add any cold pressed oil. While the oil is getting heated, let us prepare the batter to fry the banana flowers. To a bowl, add 1.5 cups of besan or Bengal gram flour. Add half a teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix everything well. Add water and mix to dosa batter consistency. Ensure that there are no lumps. If you're going to make only fries, you can also add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to this. Add 1/4 teaspoon of lime juice. As I did not want to use soda, I'm adding lime juice. Mix and add 1 teaspoon of the hot oil. Mix everything well. Now the batter is ready. Take the clean banana flour, dip in the batter one by one, and fry in the hot oil. Keep turning. Being rich in magnesium, banana flowers act as mood elevators and stress busters. Once they are evenly fried, remove. To use in the gravy, you can also dip 2 flowers together. Fry and remove. Pour the hot gravy into the bowl. Add the fried banana flower fritters. Mix and allow to soak. Top up with some more fritters. Serve the rest of the banana flower fritters, pakora and the brat and enjoy crisp. Garnish with coriander leaf. A versatile side dish, this fried banana flower gravy, curry or korma serves as a great accompaniment with rice, roti, puri, chapathi, idli and dosa. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. I would love to hear from you. For more banana flower recipes, you can also check out the steamed banana blossom lentil cake preparation, the link for which is given below.